You need to hear this if you're a travel junkie. Capri, Italy is calling your name. Imagine sipping lemonade while soaking up the sun on a dreamy island. That's Capri for you. This gem in Italy is an absolute must-see. First stop, the Blue Grotto. Picture yourself floating in a sparkling sea cave. Magic, right? Next, hop on the chairlift to Mount Solaro. The views from up there? Simply breathtaking. Third, don't miss the Gardens of Augustus. Lush green gardens with jaw-dropping views of the coast. Fourth, wander through the Piazza Umberto Prers. It's the heart of Capri, full of charm and lively vibes. Last but not least, explore Anna Capri. It's quieter, but oh so beautiful. So, which spot are you hitting first? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Let's Travel. Capri is waiting for you. Capri is waiting.